Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about the IELTS reading section, especially the academic module. Now as we all know, the reading section has 3 passages and it is arranged in an order of increasing difficulty. It has a total number of 40 questions, and at the end of each passage you would receive 13 to 14 questions. And the total word count of each passage would be around 700 to 1000 words. The sources from which the reading text would be constructed might be from any kind of journals, magazines, authentic text, and so on. And the passages are designed in such a manner that the student is trained in order to face any kind of material at the university level. And now, talking about the total time limit of the exam. As we all know, the total time limit of the reading test is 60 minutes, and you will not be provided with any kind of extra time at the end of the examination in order to transfer your answers onto the answer sheet, unlike the listening test. Therefore, you need to practice time management efficiently. And always keep in mind, do not try to spend more than 20 minutes on each passage. Otherwise, it would be a sheer waste of time. And one more thing you need to keep in mind is each and every question, as I already mentioned, there are 40 questions. Each and every question carries 1 mark, and there is no negative marking in this test. Therefore, try to answer as much as questions as possible, unless in case of some emergency situations. As I have mentioned, for example, in one of the earlier sessions, that if you have 5 questions left to answer and there is only 2 to 3 minutes left, you are unable to find answer to the first question. What will you do? Skip the question in such emergency situation. Otherwise, try to answer as much as questions as possible in order to obtain a better score in your reading test. And last but not the least, it's always your self-confidence and determination which will greatly help you in order to clear your exam.